Well, hello there. How's everybody doing? As you can see, I'm home and I'm gonna make some steakos. And I'm gonna show you guys the way I do it. So this is so simple. Bruce can do it. Simple. Okay. This is the churrasco. We're gonna cut that in 3 pieces. We are going to put this in a Ziploc bag, right? 2, 3, 4. No, you know what? Let's do this different. Let's put the ingredients, the magic ingredients, on the steaks before we put it on the Ziploc. Okay. Oh my God. And now we put it on the Ziploc. Okay. A little extra. That's not really a secret. It's just like a combination of adobe and Everglades and salt, pepper, and other stuff. I think seasoning a steak is nothing magic about it. You just gotta do what you like. If you like salty steak, you put salt. If you like adobe, you put adobe, or whatever you like. So once you put the steaks on the Ziploc, you take olive oil, just a classic one, no, nothing fancy. Put a little bit of olive oil, right? And take a lemon and you squeeze that into the bag. One is just enough. We're not doing a ceviche here. Just so the meat can get tender and tenderize and absorb all the ingredients from the magic season. And you take the Ziploc, chicken bang bang, chicken bang, chicken bang. And that's it. And you put this in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours, and then you put it on the grill. And that stuff is amazing. So keep you guys updated.